Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to withdraw money without a debit card using Chase ATM. So the first step that you have to do is open the Chase mobile application and sign in with your username and password, or you can also use your biometrics. Next is from the home screen, you just have to tap on your checking account to view your account details and options as well. Next is you just have to scroll down and tap on ATM and branch, then enabled cardless ATM access. So under the ATM services, you will just see it in there. So you just have to toggle it on and then select your account and then enter the withdrawal amount. And lastly is tap on get access code. So at the Chase ATM, you just have to tap on cardless on screen and then enter the one-time code from your app to withdraw the cash. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!